Ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved Volkswagen Transporter T28 Highline in the long wheelbase. If you have any further questions about this or any other of our vehicles, then please do not hesitate to contact a member of the sales team on 0121 514 0632. Without any further ado, let's jump straight into the video. So this lovely long wheelbase T28 Highline comes in a pure grey colour, finished in solid paint. Across the front of the vehicle there are some LED headlamps with LED daytime running lights. The vehicle also features some handsome chrome twin striping and comes with front fog lamps with a cornering function as well as front parking sensors. On both of the front wings there is some lovely transporter badging, and down below the vehicle sits on the very handsome and stylish 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels which come in a 5 twin-spoke star design. The vehicle also benefits from having electric heated and power folding exterior mirrors, as well as the handles being body matched to that lovely pure grey colour as well. Behind the single sliding door located on the passenger side, there is a factory fresh load area, finished with multiple lashing points and 2 lights providing illumination. Separating the load area and the cab is a full steel black bulkhead, and there is a step making access into and out of the load area extremely easy. The vehicle comes fitted with a 2.0 TDI diesel engine pushing out 110 PS and is accompanied with a 5-speed manual transmission which gives a more engaging drive. Towards the rear of the vehicle is a very handsome tailgate, making loading into the load area incredibly easy. Behind which we'll take another look at that full steel black bulkhead, providing an insulating layer for noise and temperature. And again, throughout that factory fresh load area are multiple lashing points as well as a secure place for the jack. On the outer side of the tailgate there is some lovely transporter badging, along with a rear view camera system. This, accompanied with the rear parking sensors dotted along the rear bumper, give a crystal clear display of what's around the vehicle, useful in every parking maneuver. The vehicle also comes with MudFlaps across all 4 wheels, making sure that we keep road spray to a minimum, keeping that lovely solid paint colour pure grey in pristine condition. Behind the driver's door, the driver is greeted with a 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel, as well as an 8-inch colour touchscreen system with navigation and 3D maps. And the passenger seat is finished in a lovely bricks woven fabric in a single seat with 2 armrests. The driver's seat is much the same, providing excellent comfort and legroom for everything from a short drive to a longer one. So, ladies and gentlemen, that will finish the 360 walk around of this approved Volkswagen Transporter T28 Highline in the long wheelbase. Now, if you have any further questions about this or any other of our vehicles, then please do not hesitate to contact a member of the sales team on 0121 514 0632. Stick around, as later on in the video we'll explore that interior in much greater detail. So thank you for sticking around. Joining me now in the cab, the controls for the electric heated and power folding exterior mirrors are located on the driver's door card. Here we can see the vehicle comes with a 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel which allows for a more hands-on driver experience. As you can see, this van is factory fresh with some of the stickers still intact, just waiting for you to unwrap them. The driver can select from a variety of different menus, cycling through the audio functions with a next previous track as well as a volume and increase and decrease button. The vehicle comes with some driver convenience options and assist systems such as adaptive cruise control, speed limiter and a front city assist with an emergency braking function. The vehicle also comes with App Connect, which allows you to seamlessly connect your Apple or Android smartphone to your vehicle using navigation apps such as Apple Maps and Google Maps, listen to your favourite music through Spotify or Apple Music, and also voice recognition to control your phone with your voice whilst driving safely, and much more. The vehicle also comes with a wide and varied list of different radio stations, and the driver and passenger can also connect with the Bluetooth audio function. Here we can see the built-in navigation that's included with this vehicle, which also features the very advanced 3D Maps software, useful for identifying your current whereabouts with the help of landmarks. Below the touchscreen are some toggle buttons for the parking sensors and as well as the start-stop button. Once something comes into proximity of the parking sensors, the park distance control will display on the screen, and similarly, once reverse gear has been selected, that rear view camera feed will also display on the colour touchscreen as well. The vehicle also comes with a front heated windscreen, perfect for those colder months, and in terms of climate control, there are 2 front heated seats, as well as climatic air conditioning, providing a very comfortable temperature in all weather conditions. Throughout the rest of the cab's interior are some 12-volt outlets, as well as some USB-C charging points. The vehicle does come with a single seat up front, providing excellent legroom, as well as headspace, providing maximum comfort on those longer or even shorter drives. So unfortunately that will end the 360 walk around there. If you have any further questions, however, then please contact a member of the friendly sales team on 0121 514 0632. And if you like what you've seen in this video, then please feel free to leave a like button and subscribe to stay up to date with all of our latest stock. Thank you very much for watching, ladies and gentlemen, and goodbye.